Hello everyone, welcome to Hydropower. Today we will solve one numerical problem related to hydrograph analysis. The given question is, given below are ordinates of a 4-hour unit hydrograph for 7 basin in meter cube per second. At 1-hour intervals, data of the 7 basin for 4-hour unit hydrograph are given here as 425. And from this data we have to calculate the area of the basin. So let's start the question with the solution. Here the given is del T equals 4 hour, and let's take the depth. D equals 1 cm. So now the volume of hydrograph is equal to summation of ordinate summation of ordinates of unit hydrograph is multiplied by del T at time equals 4 plus 25 plus 44 plus 60 plus 70 plus 61 plus 52 plus 45 plus 38 plus 32 plus 27 plus 22 plus 18 plus 14 plus 11 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is multiplied by del T is given as 4 hour is transferred into second. 60 into 60 equals the sum of the unit hydrograph is 544 into 4 into 3600 7833600. The volume is meter cube. Now area A equals volume by depth equals volume is 7833600 is divided depth is 1 cm is 0.01 meter equals converting this in kilometer equals 783.36 kilometer square is the final answer. So with the given data, the final answer is 783, which is the area of the required unit hydrograph. But today we end up this video for this much. We'll come again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.